IBM is pushing to simplify the increasingly complex world of carbon accounting with its new Envizi Emissions API, now generally available. Designed to embed emissions calculations directly into enterprise systems, the API leverages over 140,000 emission factor data sets to streamline scope 1, 2, and 3 reporting. Alongside this, IBM introduced an Excel extension to support organizations still reliant on spreadsheets, signaling a pragmatic approach to adoption. As regulatory pressure rises and companies shift toward real-time sustainability insights, IBM is positioning Envizi as a foundational layer for integrating carbon data into everyday business decisions. Are tools like IBM Envizi's API the solution to broken carbon reporting? Or are companies just adding another layer of complexity to an already messy system?
Undoubtedly a messy system. Accounting for carbon emissions is kind of tricky. The measuring and monitoring and identifying the actual carbon cost for a particular action is very difficult. And this is where IBM is well placed. IBM has a great reputation of doing essentially a bit of business consulting, but productizing and systemizing that consulting. And this is essentially what I see the Envizi Emissions API delivering is the sort of knowledge and expertise that IBM has built up, working with really large organizations to identify what their carbon emission accounting needs to be, how they need to operate it. I thought this was an interesting story, particularly because it's a different complexion on how we look at the costs of building and operating an IT infrastructure and the accounting for emissions, particularly here in New Zealand, that you've got to pay for those emissions. That means that it's a cost that you should account for, not just on a report it once a year, but as a standard operating procedure built into your cost model, your designs, forecast, and business decisions, as well as your technical decisions. We're going to have a cost for this carbon emissions, and we really need to integrate that into our planning as a whole. I found it really entertaining that the Excel interface is a lead feature on this, is that a huge number of organizations are still doing all of their planning through Excel spreadsheets rather than using maybe more complex ERP tools. Maybe we'll see this integrated into more complex ERP tools over time, but fitting around the right regulations for the different jurisdictions where you work is kind of important in here. And this is what IBM is bringing, is that knowledge of the different regulatory requirements, possibly the US, EU, here in ASEAN. There's a whole lot of places that have different regulations, and for the large organizations that are working across these multiple locations, that's a real challenge that IBM is helping with here.